So, okay, let's try this again. CO2. Okay, CO2. C stands for carbon. O stands for oxygen. How many carbons do you have? Say the answer. The answer is 1. How many oxygens do you have? Say the answer. The answer is 2. Okay, what if you had 4 CO2s? This would be 4 of a CO2 molecule, right? 4 CO2 molecules. So you got CO2 plus CO2, you got basically CO2. There's 1 CO2. There's 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. Floating around. CO2, carbon dioxide. CO2. Okay, see, can you see what I'm doing here? I'm drawing a picture of it. I'm doing it the double bond because it is a double bond. It's, well, I don't want to go into what that means. But here you got CO2, you got 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. So here you have 4 CO2s as a picture, right? So how many total carbons do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons, 4 C's. How many oxygens do you have? Count them up. Or you can do 4 times 2, multiply, it's easier. So it's 8 total oxygens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 oxygens, okay? So what we got here then is, this is why you have to draw the subscript. Because if you do full size, that tells you how many molecules you have, right? So this is going to be important for understanding photosynthesis and how it works, being able to read this chemistry. So let's continue on with this review of chemistry, okay?